Whereas when people see Just Eat and you hear the word takeaway, you think of your chipper or, as you say, downmarket. We would never ever use that word. We offer choice. So we offer the nicer restaurants, we offer your everyday pizza place, we offer Italian, we offer Thai. We even offer different types of cuisine types, such as now celiac and gluten-free, answering consumers' needs. Is it fair to say that we're downmarket? No, it's not, but again, it depends what you consider downmarket. Traditionally, takeaway was seen as that, but now that we've signed the likes of Tolteca, the canoodles, again, the chopped, the punnet, all of these restaurants would never traditionally have seen themselves playing in our space. And when we say first talk to them maybe a year or two ago, they would have gone, Just Eat? No, that's not for us, that's takeaways. Whereas now, I suppose we call them delivery restaurants. So they're all restaurants. So we don't even use the word takeaway anymore. So no, downmarket is definitely not how you describe Just Eat. We offer a range, we offer choice, and we offer what the consumer wants. And if we don't have it, we try to go out and get it for them.